Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and analyze the latest tech gear to help you make informed decisions. Today, we've got something exciting for you in the world of motherboards. We're diving deep into the MSI B550M PRO-VDH WiFi ProSeries Motherboard. This compact yet powerful motherboard is packed with features that make it a compelling choice for both gamers and professionals. So, if you're in the market for a new motherboard, stick around for the next 5 minutes as we break down everything you need to know about this piece of hardware. Let's kick things off with a quick overview of the key features of the MSI B550M PRO-VDH WiFi. First up, compatibility. This motherboard is designed for AMD AM4 processors, including support for 3rd General AMD Ryzen processors and future Ryzen CPUs with a BIOS update. That's a pretty future-proof feature right there, ensuring your system remains up to date. Now, when it comes to memory, the B550M PRO-VDH WiFi supports dual-channel DDR4 memory, allowing for a whopping 128 GB of RAM with speeds of up to 4,400 MHz. This means smooth multitasking and excellent performance for your applications and games. If you're all about lightning-fast gaming and data transfer speeds, this motherboard has got you covered. It features PCIe 4.0 support, which means you can attach ultra-fast PCIe 4.0 devices and enjoy up to 64 GB per second of unidirectional transfer bandwidth. That's a game-changer for enthusiasts. The B550M PRO-VDH WiFi also boasts Core Boost technology, which optimizes power circuit layouts and digital power regulation. This ensures precise and steady current delivery to your CPU, enhancing power efficiency and overall performance. Gamers and content creators will appreciate the studio-grade sound quality provided by Audio Boost. With premium-quality audio components, your gaming and media experiences will be immersive and crystal clear. Now, when it comes to keeping things cool, this motherboard features a premium thermal solution. It comes equipped with a heatsink thermal pad rated for 7W Mk, and the PCB has 2 ounces thickened copper. These features enhance heat dissipation, ensuring your system runs reliably even under heavy loads. One standout feature is the Flash BIOS button. This nifty addition allows you to flash the BIOS without even needing a CPU or memory. It's a lifesaver when you need to update your system. In terms of display output flexibility, you've got options with VGA, DisplayPort, and HDMI ports, giving you the flexibility to connect various display devices. Lastly, we can't forget the PCI Express steel armor slots. These are built to support the weight of heavy graphics cards and shield the point of contact from electromagnetic interference, ensuring your GPU operates at its best. Now that we've covered the main features, let's dive a bit deeper into why the MSI B550M PRO-VDH WiFi might be the right choice for you. For professionals, this motherboard offers a stable platform for demanding workflows. The extended heatsink design and Core Boost technology ensure that critical components operate reliably, even during long hours of use. Gamers, on the other hand, will appreciate the PCIe 4.0 support, which provides a significant boost in gaming performance. This means smoother gameplay and quicker load times in your favorite titles. So, there you have it, folks, the MSI B550M PRO-VDH WiFi ProSeries Motherboard. Whether you're a professional in need of a stable and efficient platform or a gamer looking to take advantage of lightning-fast connectivity and audio quality, this motherboard has something for everyone. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information and pricing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one.